Bitcoin has a pattern which will fake out 99% of traders because everybody would be looking at it from a very, very bad perspective. However, today I'm going to be covering how exactly will I actually counter trade every single casual retail beginner trader of patterns, because as you can see, even though I hate patterns, I've got a pattern drawn on the chart. Why do I have it and how exactly am I planning to trade? And also I'm mentioning the best next long trade and also short trades on Bitcoin, because obviously this pattern is so much tradable. However, it's not in a way that most of you guys would expect. Like, obviously everybody that looks at this pattern would know that if we go above a certain area, I'm going to be expecting a breakout and a move up, and if we break their support line, we're going to be breaking down. However, I think that everybody is looking at it from a very, very wrong perspective, because every beginner is probably just trying to be long in the pattern once we actually break out of it and then enter a long. And on the flip side, just wait for the break of support and then lose it and then enter a short. However, this is how most of you guys actually lose money, because basically these patterns are too famous, too fake, and also probably won't ever work. However, we can actually use the notion and the idea that most casuals are looking at this pattern to our advantage by actually counter trading them. So how can we do that, and what kind of longs and shorts am I planning to do and take with this pattern? First of all, as you can see, this is a very, very regular looking pattern. You can also look at it from a different multiple perspectives. However, I mean, I don't care, but I just drew it this way. We've got the regular trend line going from the touch points of resistance, and also on the flip side we got the support touch points, as you can see. But the most important thing here is that actually, if I, instead of actually just looking at the pure candle move, I will add to it as some extra important tools, and primarily only the fixed volume profile. So I'll take the same pattern, however I'm going to add to it the volume profile tool. And now once we add this tool, we'll get two important lines which will be very, very pivotal in terms of us counter trading every beginner that trades these patterns. So I'm going to lay out the idea here, that potential fake out of both sides, and how we can potentially make it seem as if we're going up and then we go down, or vice versa, we go down, make it seem as if we're going to break down and then we go up. So that way, let me cover it very, very clearly and also precisely how will a long or short based on this pattern, but on a very tricky advanced way. So anyways, on this pattern we've got with the volume profile, we got two important areas where I've been literally adamant, and I've been literally talking about me longing or me wanting to long 85k. As you can see, this section of the chart which has lots and lots of volume with liquidity literally sitting under it. If I go and zoom down to a lower time frame, you can clearly see how we've got liquidity all over these sections. So we've got liquidity and I want to long 85. But how can this pattern basically help me? Let me make it very, very clear that, to be honest, using this pattern and also adding the volume profile would get me two important things, as I've said, which are the value area low lines with obviously confluence with this area that I want to long. And also on the flip side, we also got the value area high with also the section of the chart that I've been looking at, and I was waiting for I think for a month or so to try and short it. So I got an area of interest to short and an area of interest to long. So now everybody that would look at this pattern would probably think about entering a short once we break down out of the trend line. They want to enter their shorts. So how can we actually do it very, very quite differently? Basically, just wait for all these shorts to pile in. Let's say, for example, we assume the scenario A plays out. We actually break down, right? I'm not predicting it. I'm merely saying that this is scenario A. So we break down below 87k, and every single beginner gets scared, gets a bit smart, and tries to open a short. And then once shorts pile in and once the price go lower, we get the hit of 85k or 85.5. and at this zone, I told you I've been wanting to long either way, but now I can actually make it more powerful with the notion that everybody's trying to short this breakdown. So what will happen probably is we go and fake out 85.5, get the perfect hit, and only if we get a bounce. I mean, obviously, some patterns do work sometimes, so maybe we can drop, but if we get a bounce and a good bounce from 85.5, I'm looking to actually enter a long. And what would happen is actually every shorter, every pattern trader will get faked out, lose their money, and then we get an actual pump, and then we see the triangle basically make a fake out and then go on the flip side and on the other side. So if it breaks down, I'm planning to enter a long. Also, if it breaks up, say for example, the scenario B plays out, which is actually sees Bitcoin actually break the trend line of the other side, which is the resistance area. So, if, for example, if let's say we break above 89k or 90k even, and everybody gets super bullish, every person makes videos about it breaking up and how this pattern could literally take Bitcoin, for example, to 98 or even above to 105. I couldn't care less. However, just because everybody would be trying to pile in into the longs, I can maybe use that to my advantage by letting them long like all the way through to 89 or even 90 or even 91. But then, as I told you, I'm looking to enter a short at 92.5, fake everybody out, and then once we enter a short, then maybe the pattern could flip to the flips or to the downside. Sorry. So this is basically the plan here. I'm going to use this pattern. I don't care about it, but I'm going to be looking for a trick and a fake out of every beginner that tries and trades these patterns. If we fall to 85.5, that's the long to go. If we go to 92, that's the short to enter, and that's basically I'm going to be actually playing out both sides of this pattern trade. Thank you guys for showing up. Give me a second here. Let me set something up, and then we're going to be reading the comments. Happy New Year to everybody who celebrates. I mean, everybody has a new year now, technically, unless you're a country that doesn't recognize these years. Anyway, so let me quickly do something very quick, and then I'm going to double check the quality of the stream, and we will go ahead with maybe easing ourselves through, because I might be having little trades to get today, even though, by the way, today is the market is off on the first of the year, all right, or the first day of the year, usually, or not usually, literally the NY Nasdaq is closed. However, I'm going to be probably like looking, maybe trading some other altcoins. We'll see. I mean, I also want to recap what happened yesterday, how we had a good enough of a trade, but then it didn't obviously live for as long as needed for. We actually just hit 89 again and then dropped again. So I'll cover everything that is like literally important and everything that maybe we had wanting to talk about ever since we did the live stream yesterday. By the way, guys, if someone didn't watch it, I literally went live together. We went live together yesterday. Let me go back and put up my channel. Anyways, yeah, even though I told you that I might not be able to go live, all right, but I did stream from my home. As you can see, we literally stayed for 1 hour and 32 minutes, and we spoke about how I had a long from 88k. We managed to get it all the way higher to 89. It didn't live for long because we reversed. We hit the stop loss at entry for me personally, and then we actually saw a move down now. So I'll cover what happened and what will happen, but just give me please a second. If someone has a question or wants to greet me, please do type them in the comments section, and I will get to them in a moment here. So let me just do something very quickly, and we will get down to maybe looking on the lower time frame, because basically the thing that I said in the introduction was maybe the higher time frame stuff, but we also need to cover the lower time frame. So I think we are done. Let me read the comment section here, guys, and see who legends, or who are from the legends that are literally with me today trying to trade the market on the first of the year. So thank you guys. Let's see how many likes we've got and how many comments we've got. So we got Moto, Manuel, how you doing, brothers? Joao, Ola, happy new year. Likewise, brother. We got Jaden, Crypto Wedge, happy new year, champs fam. Thank you, bro. Let's get 150 today. I mean, we'll see. Sup, bro? We got White Choice, Alexander, Renata, the legend, Oyantebra, Mason, Tahar, John, Vikrant, saying 2025 made losses, but 2026 would definitely be insightful with you. Thank you, bro. And I'm hoping and I'm glad that you are with us. Happy New Year, champs. Kiropi, Tiraspol said they are shorting because the Nasdaq is gonna crash in Q1. I mean, nobody knows. Which YouTubers never pay any attention to. I mean, nobody knows. Happy New Year. Thank you, Alexander. Lifer, compliments of the season's champ. Thank you, Lifer. Wise choice. Happy New Year, brothers. Thank you. Jack's speed. Do you have any positions open today? I haven't opened anything yet, to be honest. Do you have any other scalp or best choose to wait for those levels? I spoke about the important stuff, but I also will be having a little scalp potentially even taken with you. So please bear with me. Let me just get down and finish all of these comments, and we will maybe talk about them into details, because yeah, we might be entering a trade together if we managed to get like a specific move. All right, so I'll cover it. But we got Harsh or Harsh. He said that Happy New Year. Thank you, brother. Riza, do you have any other scalp? Yeah, I think I've read this. Ahmed, I'm here as usual. Good day, my friend. Thank you, DV Box. We got Alexander again. Happy New Year. Thank you, Mutwalli. Good morning. Good morning. Orienta, bro, please, is there any impact adding to a margin of a trade? I wouldn't recommend it, all right, because it literally messes up with your with your idea, with the idea and the trade management. All right, so why do it differently? Why let the price action, right, make you, I mean, do something differently with the current trade that you opened? All right, so I'd prefer, me personally, I mean, it's not the end of the world if you add margin, because essentially you're just lowering down the leverage, adding more of your own capital, so it doesn't do nothing. But all I have to say is, like, why would you do that if you aren't if you, I mean, if you have like planned out ahead of time your trade, you wouldn't need to add margin and do or affect the open position. Yeah. I got a line from 87.4. Amazing. uh Hey guys, look, Lista syrup might be gone on, like, I'm not sure what you mean. Hey, my trading views, Solana to USDT show a big 1 minute candle. Solana, can you look at it for a second and tell me what's happening? It was yesterday at like 8. Uh, I'm not sure what you mean, because it depends on what kind of or which pair or which exchange you're looking at Solana from. So, I mean, I can entertain the question and see, but I mean, I'm not sure which hour or minute you're referring to. It seems very normal to me. So maybe we'll look at it once we get down to the nitty-gritties of Bitcoin, because obviously we've covered in the intro, we've covered the basics, like drop lower. As you can see, guys, I even made like little arrows that would like show you how these like areas are filled with liquidity, right? So like the idea is here, like, see how the wicks are like ascending. So like every single wick that is being put on the lower side below 87k is essentially a bit above or a bit higher than the previous one, right? So I've got them marked in the arrows. Yeah. And that's basically how like volume or liquidity, long side liquidity or buy side liquidity actually gets generated. So like imagine the best scenario is actually us doing this. I mean, I've spoken about this, like, don't let or don't make the pattern, I mean the silly pattern that I drew in the beginning of the live stream, affect our plan. I merely like used it in the beginning to maybe add more fuel to the fire. So usually, I mean, let me also remove the errors. Usually, I would just say, or I did say that I'll wait for 85 and see a potential long. I'll wait for 92 and see, I'll wait for a potential short. So, I mean, that's the basic, setup that I have, right? So, this is this or this, either this or that, right? But once you also understand that there's a silly pattern forming, let me like explain why did I even draw it, or why did I even entertain it in the first place. Is because this actually works well with the way I trade, because once we go to 85.5, every beginner will be trying to short a support hit. Why? Because they draw silly lines and they think we're going to 78 because we lost a silly line. So that would actually make me more interested, I guess, into trying to long and counter trade the beginner pattern drawers. All right. Also, on the flip side, uh, even though I would still look to short this at 92, I've been looking to short it ever since I wanted this, like maybe 18 days ago, right? But the idea, or me knowing also that there's a silly pattern trader who like looks at this and wants to long this, right? I know that me entering a short here would also help me counter trade with them getting liquidated, right? So I only spoke about the pattern because that would help me make more money by them getting liquidated, right? So hopefully you've understood why am I looking at patterns. Because obviously if someone is just, I mean, it's not like very focused with me, they just say, oh, you use patterns. But no, guys, please bear with me. I only use it in the thumbnail because it's different. I know like most of you guys literally know that I'm against patterns. So I chose the thumbnail and the title to make the viewers of mine interested enough to watch it, and then once you watch it, you understand that I'm merely using it to trade the fake out of the pattern. Why? Because you got millions upon millions of beginners drawing a triangle. I will understand liquidity and counter trade them. Basically, that's it. All right. Would 88.5 area be a good short? Yes, that's why I have it covered, but we'll cover it. I will talk about it very soon. Good level at Solana is 121. I have no idea. 365 days to become profitable trader. I mean, that's amazing for you, and I'm hoping the best would happen for you. Tadas, how you doing? Clever Crab said, do you know time fractal? I don't use time fractals. Jaden, looking at the order flow, were a lot of longs absorbed at 89k, which caused a reversal. I mean, I haven't looked at them, all right, and I usually don't like to, you know, look for a reason for why a certain move happened. I merely just focus on the next move, right? But that could be also true. Good morning, everyone. Thank you, TD4. So let me also cover, now that we're done with the higher time frame stuff. Yeah, I mean, pretty basic stuff. On a lower time frame, if Bitcoin keeps on pumping, I have this little trade that I have prepared for you guys, which is basically the NPOC with the daily, with also the Fibonacci golden pocket. Not the best, I mean, pull. I don't care about the pull of the Fibonacci, but I mean, it's an added confluence. All right. So usually, as I told you guys, it's usually the third reason, sometimes even the fourth. All right. Anyway, so that's basically it. I mean, that's not added, but I just want to look at it. Yeah. So I was just saying that if Bitcoin actually goes to 88.3 to 88.5, a potential move lower like this could be nice. Yeah, I'm just purely speculating on the little scalpy time frames. All right, so even though, like, don't let this fool you guys, I'm still looking at it from a higher time frame perspective of just waiting for this or that. All right, but just to give a maybe a potential little trade that we're looking at, to take is also, or which would be also us looking to trade 88.4, 88.3. That's the area to be looking for maybe on today's even stream, because yesterday, by the way, yesterday we did actually do a very, I did say it, but I mean, let me repeat it. Yesterday we did do an amazing live stream. I say amazing because it was literally unplanned, unprepared, and lots of the viewers literally showed up very early morning, even very early at night for most US viewers. And I'm more than thankful and more than grateful for those who tuned in, whether live or afterwards, on this chart or on this live stream, because I 2 days ago I said I wouldn't be going live, but then I said I might as well just squeeze in a little live in the morning. Yeah. Hi, can crypto recover in 2026, or will it go down more? I have no idea. It can recover, it can also not recover, because I am not the person to ask, unfortunately, because nobody knows. I mean, I don't want to give like fake answers, guys, you know? Yeah, I think you know me by now. Yeah. So let me do something very quickly, and we are looking at it from a different perspective. Sir, sometimes the market touch our stop loss first with a wick and then touches the TP. How you deal with this frustration? Give us some tips. All right, so maybe, I mean, it would be much more helpful or much more useful if I was seeing your like a specific trade. All right, so I mean, give me a second here, guys. Yeah, so I mean, it's either two things. It's either you're entering with the wrong, sorry, you have the wrong entry model, or your stop loss is too tight. Yeah, so these are the two possible issues that you're facing, and I'm probably would expect, or yeah, I would probably expect you having the first problem, which is like your entry model is flawed from the beginning or from the get-go, right? So that's mainly the issue that most traders face, right? So I cannot give you an advice, but I can tell you to maybe rethink why exactly you entered, right? Because as I told you guys, the stop loss isn't there to be just below the entry. Like, obviously the stop loss will be at a loss. I mean, it says in the name, so it has to be below or above, depending if it's a long or short, all right, the entry. But it's not only about putting it below the entry for your long or above your entry for your for your short, it has to be in a specific area where if the place or if the price hits a certain place or a certain price point, right, then it needs to be at the area where the invalidation or yeah, and at the invalidation point of your trade. So I entered because of this and this and that. Once we go above all of these, it's no longer valid for me to be in this short trade, so I have to leave automatically. Right. Also, on the long, once we go to a certain area, it no longer meets my requirements or my criteria to enter a trade. It makes zero sense for me to continue. I'm risking more than I'm prepared to lose, so I have to set the stop loss there. Uh, yeah. Uh, yeah. Why said that was a great live, bro. Early but great. Thank you, thank you. Happy New Year. Thanks for always showing up. Your video has helped me to understand trading better. Thank you, Ernest, and I'm glad that you're finding the stuff that I'm putting out helpful. Do you use Bookmap to see order flow? Personally, no. I use ExoChart, but I don't look at the Bookmap specifically. Yeah. But I do know lots and lots of order flow friends who use Bookmap. So yes, I mean it depends on the source of your Bookmap, I guess. But I mean yes, it is a valid order flow usage. Nothing wrong with the thumbnail. That's exactly how we knowledge bait the beginners. I like it. Thank you, Vikrant. Yeah, I mean I feel more proud about my thumbnail now. Yeah, to be honest, that's basically it. Because yes, a pattern is a very very overused thing on the thumbnails, not me personally, but I mean, yeah, everybody knows that, like, oh, everybody knows that it's going to be about a trade, and oh, it's a triangle. Guys, no worries. Thank you, Manuel. Anyways, so I digress. So I think I've covered everything. Let me look also for a little scalp long. I want to do some alts trading. Maybe. I feel good today, so maybe, but I'm not sure. Also, yeah. So, yeah. So just to keep it quite basic for now, 5 minute time frame. We got this section of the chart. Like, if you want to scalp Bitcoin today, forget about everything that happened prior to this move. I'd say, or just focus on this. This is for the scalpers for today, and also keep in mind that the market today is off. Right, so no NY open for us today. First of the year, first day of the year, the market is closed. All right, so we'll begin or the market will resume in on Friday tomorrow, guys. All right, but that would also be helpful. Like I've noticed back when I was in my alt trading era, I always loved the time where the market is off or the NY open or NY Nasdaq specifically is off. Why? Because from my experience, if I want to trade altcoins, I want the time or a period where they are least correlated to Bitcoin. All right. So I've noticed a pattern, not literally a pattern, but I mean a figurative pattern, where whenever the volume is too low on Bitcoin, which was usually weekends and whenever the Nasdaq is off or they have a holiday, right? Usually that's the highest or the best time for the least correlation in between Bitcoin and any other altcoin. All right, so not to say that, oh, you have to trade altcoins every single time, but if you were to do it, I'd suggest looking or trying or testing out or playing around with trading altcoins on the weekends. That's how I usually loved them back then. I mean, yeah, the more I get, the busier I get, the more the better trades I get on Bitcoin, the least or I mean I lower or I tone down a bit the trading era. So that's why maybe 2 months or ever since we had started going live on the English channel, you haven't seen me do like altcoins trading as much because I'm just making more money, more busy and on some other alt stuff, so I haven't gotten the chance to do it. But if I was to give someone like a negative advice, you can try like trading on the weekends if you want to, like altcoin trading. Yeah. So I digress. Let me look on the lower time frame, see what we got here. Yeah, I mean it is Thursday now, now and today, I guess. Yeah, so we got the high, the low of the day. I mean, don't want to over trade it, but I mean we can use this to look for a trade basically. Yeah, by the way, whenever you see me on the 5 minute time frame, please stop taking me too seriously. I'm just playing out, I'm planning out little ideas here. So that's the value area low plus the current daily low. I'm just marking out areas in case we want to go to a we want to go to a certain, like other altcoin. Yeah, I want to also mark out the daily low. I'll read your comments, guys, in a bit, but let me see if I have it here. I don't have it. Yeah, I do have it. D point low. Yeah, yep. That's the previous day low. Yeah, that's the previous day high. That see how silly my indicators are. It just shows me the highs and the lows, just to save me maybe 5 seconds of my time to literally go and look for the time myself. All right, so you can do it by yourself, guys. You don't need you don't need this indicator. Yeah. Uh. mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. I also want to play out with the something, guys. Give me the higher the volume. Yeah, let me do this. Let's see if it looks nicer. I mean, it doesn't work apparently. Let's try 100. Don't worry, guys. I'm just taking it slow today, so please bear with me. Yeah, I mean, I'm liking this. Does it go above 100? Apparently, I don't think it does. Maybe yeah, maybe it does. Yeah, let me do 200. Let me see what's the max amount here. Yeah, so 100 doesn't work. 150. Uh, 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 it does. Oh no, not for all of them. So yeah, we'll stick with 99. I'll do 99. Doesn't matter, guys. I'm just playing out with the ideas here. Uh, yeah. So 99 literally messes up everything. 50 maybe. Hmm. So it's about like let's see, 88. Does this work? Yeah. So like it literally takes out the strength of other days. I'll leave it as 50, 70. I like 70. I mean, it gives me 4 days of volume profile. That's good enough. I'm pretty sure there are better indicators to put the volume profile, but I mean, I couldn't care less. It doesn't matter, to be honest. Yeah. So I mean, we're looking. If I had to uh trade, or yeah, scalp trade Bitcoin today, I will look at a potential, maybe, yeah. Strength will start at a reclaim of 88 and a move up to 88.5. Weakness would be a fake out of this. Maybe a good trade would be waiting for the low of the day to be taken. So I have potential trade. So what I might do here, guys, bear with me. I know that's too boring and technical. What I might be doing here is actually using this to look for trades on different coins, because essentially we'll be getting like a larger move based on the same levels that I've got on Bitcoin. So see how I got it like divided into two volume profiles. One, like I look at them as different section of the chart. This is a volume profile. That's a volume profile. Right. I also got I marked the high of the day, the low of the day. Yeah. Yes. So yeah, I'm liking a potential long. So like if Bitcoin gets to 87.4, I look to long a coin, a certain coin. If it fakes out 88, I look to short a certain coin. If it moves up above 88, I look for strength and some other altcoin. If it goes to 85.5, I look to either short Bitcoin itself or any other altcoins. So we have a plan here. All right? I'll leave it like this, and I won't change it because I want to go to other altcoins. Maybe not Bitcoin, not sorry, maybe not Ethereum, because Ethereum is also a bit boring. I want to change it up. So the way I do it, I've done it before, guys, in my trading era. So I'll let you guys in a little, I'll let you in, guys, in a little important, like useful way of doing it. So bear with me, all right? I haven't read the comments yet, but I'll look at them. So if someone has a comment, please do type them or put them in the comment section. I'll look at them. All right. So what you're seeing here is Bybit's market overview page. All right. So why Bybit? Because Bybit has the best volume wise, all right, as an exchange. And also it has this nice area. I mean, every single exchange I'm pretty sure it has, but since because I chart on Bybit, as you can see, that's Bybit's USD perpetual contracts for Bitcoin. Since Bybit has the best volume wise on all assets, I guess Bitcoin, I mean, Bitcoin is crypto. Yeah. So if you go to their markets, I mean, you go to Bybit.com, you go to markets, you don't need even an account. So I'm not even signed in. Yeah, as you can see, I don't have an account. But if you go lower, you go to derivatives. Yeah. So from spot to derivatives, very important, very key. Make sure to change it to derivatives. Oh, so let me begin, I guess, from the beginning. You go to Bybit and then market overview, and then derivatives, and then here make sure that it's ranked by descending order of volume. Or so it's going to give you the highest or the top. I mean, how many are there here? It seems like 20. All right, so top 20 highest volume traded assets, I guess, cryptos in the past 24 hours on Bybit. All right, so this would give us coins that have got lots and lots of liquidity, but exclude, or if you wanna trade a certain coin, that's a good place to start. So that's a list that you maybe can do a routine in, right? But exclude the ones that have seen a large like percentage move up or down. So for example, this coin is called Light. It's new. Okay, and it also dropped like 44% in the past 24 hours. So that's why the volume is high. So exclude this, right? We want a smooth coin that is stable enough, that hasn't seen a pump or dump, but could offer us some nice respectable volume profile moves, right? So Solana is one, but I don't want it, so I'll check Solana out. So I'll keep Solana in mind. XRP is one, Dogecoin is one, Fartcoin, I mean, funny enough, is one, Cardano is one, Broccoli 96, I mean, is one. Yeah, but see, it has 64 minutes, so don't include it. Zcash is one, so maybe we'll look at Zcash today. Yeah, I'll look at maybe Dogecoin, Solana, and Zcash. Okay, as a trader, not because I want to do TA for them, guys. Please remember. So we have these coins plus, I mean, we have the routine on Bitcoin plus. Let me go here before I forget. I want to look at Sol. I forgot. It's Zcash and something else. Dogecoin, yeah. Sorry, guys. Have bad memory. Doge and ZEC, I guess, for yeah. So let me put it in a yeah. See here. Yeah, perfect. I'm just looking at my camera. Just yeah. So now we can start with Solana. We'll look at Solana and maybe look to trade it. As I told you guys, it was very local time frame stuff. So for example, TD4 is saying XRP with exclamation. As I told you guys, it doesn't matter. I'm not here like doing TA for a certain coin. Like, trust me, even if you want me to do XRP because it is your coin, or you want to do, or sorry, you feel good because you have a potential position in it, trust me, it won't benefit you because I'm only going to do a little TA on a local time frame, right? So, no need to put exclamation marks. Anyways, we'll do a bit of like local time frame stuff. Obviously, I do need to know that I do need to understand the higher time frame stuff, right? So if someone wants to stick for the rest of the live stream, you can do so. If you don't want to, that's fine too. Yeah, anyways, so we go to the daily time frame. I also want to read the comments, so maybe I can do them very quickly. Yeah, for example, I don't know what you are like in your private life, but I truly admire your quality of your transparency. Thank you, EH3. Thank you, Lucas. Thank you. Next target, Bitcoin, 80 or 96K. I have no idea. Thank you, Lucas. Happy New Year. Rinat, Ahmed, this is what I would like you to teach me. Where to do stop loss, both short and long. Show me some example. Maybe, yeah, we can maybe do some education content. Let me do quickly. Maybe can go to 88. Maybe, sir, you told us that you're going to enter a trade, a bullish bearish confirmation. So could you please explain which confirmation? Like, I'm not sure what you mean. Okay. The little order flow snap from yesterday was live. Sorry, live was fire. Can't wait to dive deeper. Thank you, and I'm glad that. I'm also happy that like somehow we got like a very nice chance of getting a review or showing you guys the order flow app. All right, even though I wasn't intending to do so, I was happy that like filming from home allowed me to do it. Yeah, bro, when you speak about inefficiency, are you referring to the fair value gap or a different concept? A similar concept. It's very similar, guys. Fair value gap is just a name that a person like referred to or made up. It's a made up name that ICT, I think his name is Michael, I mean coined. All right, so fair value gap has some similarity to inefficiency. Inefficiency just means single prints or lack of volume within a move, right? Basically. Anyways, so bear with me, guys. If someone doesn't get their comment answered, give me give me the benefit of the doubt because I am looking at trades here, but I will look at them. So I'll try to read a bit by bit while I do my Solana routine stuff. Yeah. Yeah. So daily is not important. Have I seen the weekly? Weekly? I did see the weekly. Yeah. Daily, 4 hourly. Got this. And now we maybe drop to an hourly time frame and put anchored view up here. I mean, yeah, see how powerful this thing is. Yeah. I mean, I don't. I'll maybe look at the lower time frame stuff. I'll go to 30-minute time frame. I'll use the volume profile and do this. Yeah. Yeah. So I mean, see how that is very similar, but this essentially the 87K for Solana, I guess. Uh, yeah. Let's see. I mean, let's remove this. Not the best, but I mean, we it has some potential scalpy points, very similar to Bitcoin. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe Valley area low. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Range value area low. Yes. That's too far away. Let me see the day highs and lows. I mean, yes, maybe this one. And that's the daily high with liquidity. So I'll say that's the daily high, I guess. Daily high. Uh, not the best. Yeah, so not the best. Very similar to Bitcoin, to be honest, but yeah. Now see how like this can be very, very useful because essentially if Bitcoin goes to what I said like here, 88.5, that would probably mean that Solana would do this also. I mean, that's the very like the exact same trade that I'm looking at for Bitcoin. Yeah, and also perfectly I can literally see that this has to be a perfect lineup of the Fibonacci golden pocket. Uh yeah, see, even though I didn't do it, but from the how many reps I've used the volume, sorry, the Fibonacci golden pocket, I can literally tell before even putting it that it would be amazing here. So yeah, I have a potential trade, a short trade at 125.8, a fake out of today's high for Solana. Very nice. Let's see where to long. I want to just take like little stupid longs together, like not risky ones, but less I mean technical ones, but less technical ones. Yeah. Mm, yeah, maybe the valley area low again. Not the best. I mean, yeah, valley area low. Bear with me, guys. Uh, I don't like it much. I mean, it's on the 5 minute time frame, so doesn't have to hold. But if it was to hold, then it would be nice. I mean, that the most perfect thing is that doing this, like this. That would be amazing. And then we do this, and then maybe we'll see. We can then maybe do this. I mean, I don't. I'm just playing out ideas here, guys. I'm not expecting anything. Uh, yeah. Let me remind myself of the volume pull. I mean, it has to be here. Yeah. Maybe. I mean, we did this, and then we went. So maybe that's a structure playing out. So. Yeah. Let me see something very quickly. We went here, point of control hit, and then went higher. So maybe 5 minute point of control hit, and then we went higher. Bear with me, guys. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh, yeah. So I'm hoping, guys, that you're enjoying this because even though I'm not speaking as much, that's very, very important and useful things to maybe be shown to you because, like, say for example, we do take this trade, you would know beforehand how it was literally like drawn out. right? So that I think that's more helpful than just mentioning a trade for the sake of mentioning it without like a specific reason. All right, so that maybe could be a potential nice play. All right, that would also maybe with be with confluence of Bitcoin dropping to the point of control. So let's just see, we either drop like 0.2% or 0.4%. That would hopefully drop Solana to 124. Take a nice long, take a nice short. I mean, I'm hoping for this. All right, so let's leave Solana at this looking like this. I'll have an alert set at 124.5 and one at 125.6 with Bitcoin. We'll see how Bitcoin plays out. My next coin will be uh, Dogecoin. Yeah, Doge. So we'll go to Doge. Yeah, let me see what comments we've got here. I don't have it. Sorry, hit the like button. Thank you. I don't have it. I was just saying because you was picking some coins. That's all. No worries. Can you see the Fibonacci settings? Yeah, it's just the numbers that you see. So if literally the Fibonacci golden pocket number that you see next to it is the settings. That's it. And the color, you can change the color. Hey Ahmed, I joined. Just woke up. Are you still in the log? No. That's how we know Mitwali listens to live regularly. Thank you. I mean, I haven't heard the comment, but stop loss is usually your invalidation point where you no longer have the same confidence in your trade. So it's not usually above or under a certain key point, depending on, yeah, it's usually, yeah, exactly. Is Cardano a good option to look at? Yes, it is, because obviously, I mean, it is a high volume coin. Doge doesn't look as good, to be honest. I mean, technically very similar to Solana, but I mean, see how like it's literally been moving down ever since this. I mean, I still expect it to go lower to the wick. I mean, if I had to give a commentary on the higher time frame stuff, but on the lower time frame, that's very early to call. So let's wait and see, I guess. Uh, yeah. So let's give it a couple of times here. Okay, so give me a second. Okay, so maybe this high volume area pivot. Mm, yeah, I mean it's a bit far away, but that's too far away to be honest. No, it doesn't interest me as much. Yeah, I don't like Cardano, Dogecoin, sorry. But this remains to be a good potential move. I mean, if we go this high, I'll remind myself of it. Yeah. Let's focus on the lower time frame. Very boring. Let's see if we can, yeah, lock this in. Volume too far away, not the best. I don't like Dogecoin, yeah. I mean, even these moves, you can see how like low volume it is, how inefficient the market is in Doge. I don't like it, to be honest. So we'll cancel Doge. Let me look at my third coin, which would be ZEC, Zcash, I guess. Yeah. Yes. So we'll add it because I'm not sure if I even have TA on it. No, I don't. Yeah. Zcash got famous when we started, like when it started like moving up. So it's a nice coin to trade, a different looking coin to others, I guess. Yeah. So let's see what kind of moves we've got. I'll maybe do a bit of like higher time frame stuff because it is different. It's a different looking coin, as I said. So maybe we can find some nice, interesting areas to look at, even on a higher time frame, maybe scale. Yeah. I don't like this. Yeah. Weekly time frame. We will see these. and also that, and then we will see this candle. Yep. And then do this, and then we take the volume profile off, we do this. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, looks good. Looks too super technical, to be honest. I'm liking this, but I mean, I still haven't figured out a specific trade, if I may. Yes, so maybe this is a daily, or it is a daily. So we'll do this now, and now we'll be checking this range. The volume is high in multiple areas, but yeah, that's a very, very key strong area, to be honest. So this not only an MPUC, but also uh, point of control, or I'll say range point of control, just to not get confused. All right. So I mean, if it that's a very, very big ask of it to drop 16%. So I wouldn't like care much about this just in the near future. I also like how we are above this area. So we are above. Uh, Give me a second, you guys. We are above the point of control. Previous. Uh, no, this not this one. Previous value low. Previous point of control. And also, I mean, we still have the previous value area high. P. Yeah, no, sorry, not this one, but the PVH. Yeah. And then once we're done with this, not sure what this is. Yeah, previous point of control. Yeah, my bad. Yeah. We can see that. Uh, let me put an anchored view up on to answer the question of. Yeah, I mean, if Zcash gets to 450, I guess that would be a good night's potential long, but that's too far away. So I'd hate to focus on that now, at least. Yeah, we are bullish on Zcash. Looks good. I mean, if I had to give it if I had to call it something, it looks good. I mean, it has to. I mean, Bitcoin has to pump for this to pump. But I mean, yes, if Zcash holds 472, also let alone holding for 500. $518, 640 is very, very easy for Zcash. Now, I mean, I wouldn't just randomly buy or long, but I just wanted to put it out there because that's the true technical reality. Yeah. Let me do this volume profile move. Yeah, so now we get to the actual trading part for Zcash. Forgetting about all the potential stuff we said. So, we got the daily. Oh, maybe, yeah, that's a nice area to enter, maybe. Thank you, General Dictator. Thank you. I'm hoping for the best to you, likewise, and your family, and your friends, and your loved ones. Uh, Wishes your portfolio stays green. I mean, that's the nicest wish. I wish any trader can get. So thank you, brother. Hoping the best for you too. Yeah. So maybe this would be nice. Yeah. Waiting for. I mean, the anchored view up could be a bit better, but I mean, the beggars can be choosers, I guess, if that's even the correct saying. Yes, so I'll, I'll do this. Mm. So we'll take the fib from here to here. It depends on how you look at it, but that's a very, very strong area. I mean, also this section of the chart has lots and lots of volume. So, but yeah, maybe 520 would be good for Zcash. Not the best, but it is a potential move. So the idea here is that Bitcoin drops, continues dropping. Doesn't have to, sorry guys. Yeah, it doesn't have to, but if it does, yeah, if Bitcoin continues lower on a local time frame, goes to the point of control, or even more preferably us going to 87.4. Once we do this, if we do this, sorry, then maybe Solana could give us a move lower to 124. Yeah, goes deeper, digs deeper, like below 124.5, goes here, reclaims this, all right, and then look for a move to the other side. And also, if this plays out, also I'd look for Zcash's potential long here. So these are maybe the next plays to take, or longs to take, right? So what I want is actually Bitcoin to drop, but not to drop too much, right? And then maybe catch a good long on Zcash and Solana. If yeah, and Solana, and I also have the trades that I have on Bitcoin. So let's wait and see. I mean, we have planned out one, two, three trades on Bitcoin, two trades on Solana, and a trade on Zcash. So two, three, and three, I guess two, so six total, if I'm not mistaken. So we'll wait and see. We have done our work. The work is done here, so I'll have to wait and see, because I'll never trade just randomly. I have to wait and I mean, look at the reaction. And also, by the way, guys, if someone wants to become a trader and also trade where I trade at, now we have a special 7-day deposit I mean, giveaway, I guess, but it's only for those who haven't yet deposited. They have made an account with me but haven't yet deposited, or even those who are looking to make an account with Jams Crypto. Because, guys, as you can see right now, I put out all the details in the link. So as you can see, using this link, that would give you a free $1,000 worth position airdrop, as you can see. Now, just to make it quite clear, that's only limited to the first 100 users, right? So, or it has only 100 usage, so 100 users. Now that either counts, I mean, it's a total of those who made an account but didn't trade or didn't deposit, I think, yeah. And also those who wanna make an account and then deposit. All right, so it's a maximum of 100 users, and also it is only valid till the 7th of January. So we have 7 days of a nice airdrop. But then once we are done with the airdrop, with the giveaway, after the 7 days, we will be doing and holding a trading competition. So this, we have 7 days of a giveaway and a promotion for depositors, and then 7 days of actually running the actual regular trading competition that are promised, because we did plan a trading competition, but I mean, they haven't taken it out. So as you can see, I mean, it could be a bit confusing because you can see it on the register page, but disregard this competition because I didn't like it. The amount is too low. It's too bad. I said I'd much rather just you guys, I mean, the Weeks team, offer us a nice giveaway for the new year, deposit giveaway, and then we can run the regular best trading competition, a more expensive one. By expensive, I'm sorry, more higher price one, after this is done. So if you want to make the most and you haven't yet made your week's account, you don't have to, but if you want to, then using my link would get you this nice deposit bonus. And also, just to make it quite clear, that what they mean by a $1,000 position airdrop is basically a $50 times 20x position, so say for example on Bitcoin, right? So you will have, once you can use it, you can open a long or a short, whatever or whenever you want. That's $50 times 20, which is worth $1,000. Anyways, smash the like button. Thank you, Manuel. Thank you, bros. Can you switch my week's account? I'm not sure what you mean. By which, switch from what to what exactly? Yeah, so maybe we can clarify. We're getting a drop on Bitcoin, which will obviously drop every single coin. I mean, Zcash is holding pretty well nowadays. Uh, Uh, I have an existing account referral from another. I want to go under yours. Thank you, 51 Vinny. I will ask them. So give me a second. I mean, I want to be totally honest and say I don't know. I cannot answer stuff I don't know. So I'll ask and see. Yeah, he's asking to change referral partner. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I got it now. So thank you, General Dictator. But yeah, I mean, I will ask because give me a second here. I'll literally do it live, guys. We're waiting for a trade. Bear with me. If someone wants to sign off or log off, that's fine. Or stop watching, I guess. Click off if that's even the correct statement. Yeah. Give me a second here. Can someone who's signed under someone else? Yeah. So let's see. We'll wait and see. How will you contact me, please? Thank you. How will I contact you? That's very maybe tricky. Wait, maybe give me 5 minutes and we'll see if we get the answer live. And then we will see how to go about it. Yeah, so or maybe let me do it this way, brother Vinny. All right, so I'll put my email, my contact email in the comment section, right? And then you just send me an email, official at uh champs crypto champs crypto.com, right? So different man is to under right now. I want to switch. Yes, so that's my email, official at champscrypto.com, and I'll see if they answer me live. Right, so maybe you can stick with me on the live stream for extra 10 minutes or 5 minutes, or hoping seconds even. All right, and you can like maybe send me an email asking me to change your affiliate, and also mention your UID, your user ID of week. So tell me, hi Ahmed, I messaged you, I wanna move my affiliate from to your to under your affiliate, and my account is UID, uh, whatever your UID is. It's good to see you plot out trades. Give me an idea of how I should be doing it. Yeah, thank you. And I also have the link here. You can submit your video. Yeah, so I'm waiting for to see where is the email. The email is in the comments, so it's above you a bit. So it's like official at champscrypto.com. Yeah. Mitwali, I bought a challenge in a prop firm. It wasn't cheap, so I hope it works out. I will let you know how it went when I get the result. Yeah, I mean, I'm hoping for the best. I will tell you that uh, please understand that trading in a prop or using a prop firm or prop firm account isn't the realistic environment of trading. So, like, play with the rules and understand them. Uh, yeah. I will send you your email. Where is the email? Yeah, brother Vinny. The email is official at champscrypto.com. Yeah, I mean, it is in the comments, but if you have missed it, that's fine. Just look at it. Look closely. Look, you have 6 comments that are after my comments. So I can't participate in the competition because Weeks don't work on my browser. Some technical problems, I guess. I can only use the app, which doesn't support the competition. No, it does. I mean, I'm pretty sure you can do it. Uh, I'm not sure what browser doesn't support Weeks. So maybe let me see. I mean, yeah, try Chrome. I mean, Microsoft Edge. It's called Edge now, I guess. Yeah. You can try Safari if you're using the Mac World or whatever. Yeah. I'm pretty sure you can. Even on your phone. AI short, you can use the link. I mean, the trading competition isn't up yet, right? But once the trading competition is online, you can click on the trading competition link and then use, or I mean, sign up, sign in, and then you can. I'm pretty sure you can. Give me a second, you guys. I just got the answer. Uh, give me a second here. Yeah, I'm getting messages on week from the week's team. Yeah, so you can said you can ask him to register a new account. We are unable to transfer sub accounts or refer someone else. For this matter, you may contact you. Okay, so you can ask a new. Okay, so basically they said, which is a very very bad answer, I guess. They just said you can ask him, right, to make an account, another account, right? I think you can do that too. That works. No trades yet. Yeah, say it. No trades yet. What did I miss, Ahmed? Open short, no shorts taken, but I mainly just did my bit like scalping routine. We started with a higher time frame, then went on the lower time frame, put two volume profiles on, looked for three trades on Bitcoin, and then we decided to look for some other altcoins to trade. Why? Because I want to switch things up. So I looked for Solana and I made up two potential longs and short. I guess you can tell where to short and where to long. I mean, it's not hard to know. And also on Zcash. So, yeah. Do you have a private Discord or chat on Telegram? No, I don't have such thing. And fortunately or unfortunately, everything that I do put out is for free. I literally go live every single day for almost from an hour. Sorry, at least I think the minimum has to be or has changed to an hour and 30 minutes and a maximum of 2 to 3 hours. So I literally go live every single day. And by every single day, I don't mean it like figuratively, literally every single day of every single week of every single month, so that everything is out for free on Champs Crypto. I just go live from, or I guess the starting time of the live stream is from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Eastern time, which is 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Dubai time. So I have a bit of leeway. I mean, a bit flexible on when to start. So just make sure that you've got the notification bell turned on, and also for some extra notifications or for you to be extra notified about me going live, you can also join the free Telegram channel where I post the link to my videos and my live streams on this channel, and also primarily also post like important maybe updates whenever I can or whenever I want to, right? So I mean that's it. Like the description is empty, nothing. The only way to support me is using the week's link. That's it. Where we run our training competition. Other than that, everything is put out for free. I don't have a Discord. I don't have a free Telegram. I do have a sorry. I do have a Telegram paid or whatever. Weeks isn't letting me create a new account with the referral code. I have been trying to register since the last trade tournament. Could you maybe elaborate on how they aren't letting you? Okay. What about your trades? Do you share? I'm not sure what you mean. Maybe some people can answer him because I'm not sure what you mean here. Yeah. So yes. So yeah. I mean, I think what you mean is like, do you share your trades? I do. I talk about my trades live, explain how I'm going to be taking them. I go live 2 to 3 hours a day. If the trade gets hit when we're live, I'll be trying to take. I do take them together. If the trade isn't hit while live, I mean, I'll probably take it myself and see if guys, if you took it also with me. I share sometimes like a bit of notifications on Telegram telling you, oh, I took the trade, but it's not a signals group, so I don't promise to let you in on every single trade. I'll do my best to enter it with you, explain the reasons, and then you have to do the rest. I mean, I can hold your hands, but I won't be picking you up. Uh, Tada said, sharing trades live or better follow all setups. Amazing. Yeah. Hello, everyone. Hello, Ahmed. Thank you, Amoto. Thank you, Legend. Mitwalli says, yes, he usually shares his trades, but he also speaks about all his trades ideas so he can take more trades even if he doesn't do it. Yes, I guess you are. Yeah, I mean, you are correct. So listen to Mitwalli, he is smart. Anyways, so we'll wait and see. Yeah, I don't want to leave you guys hanging. We have spent an hour and 9 minutes. Would you consider premium group on Telegram? Mm, Probably not. Because I don't have an issue with someone making paid content. Like, that's totally fine. Nothing is bad with paying for stuff. Like, if I was to make a course or something, that's regular. All right. If I was to maybe do a bit of consultation, that's regular. That's normal. My time is worth money. But I hate the notion of making a Telegram group, a premium Telegram group that literally destroys all of the hours and years that I put into the work and the live stream that I put on for free, just for like beginners to pay me a couple of $100 for me to let them in on every single trade, because it's unrealistic, fake, hard to copy. I'd much rather be with you, take the trade, or speak about it. Yeah. So no, unfortunately, I have no interest in making a premium Telegram group if the premium part of it is me giving signals. If I was to do something paid, it will be maybe a community uh, course, something like that. But me putting signals, I don't want to do that. To do that because it's mainly an environment full of fakes and course sellers and what all of that. Yeah. Ahmed, can we see your Fibonacci settings? Yeah, you can. I mean, as I told you, the settings are just these numbers. So 0.66, 0.618. That's it. Yeah, I want to teach you how to think, brother. It's fine. I will show it to. I will show you. I will show them to you. But I want you to understand that if you, it's the only tool that you don't need the settings to be shown unless they hide these numbers, is the Fibonacci numbers, because I have them displayed. So these are the numbers: 0.66, 0.618. That's it, right? That's it, guys. No settings needed. That's literally it. Or unless you want to literally copy the exact color, the yellow color. I mean, uh, yeah. Okay, thank you. Appreciate it. You appreciate your honesty. No worries, thank you, Vinny, and I'm glad to have you as part of our team. I literally go live every single day, guys. And also, we are very close to hitting 4K subs on Champs Crypto. I'm very, very much proud of the effort we've put into this channel. I mean, I've been consistent for 3 months now, and I'm very proud and I'm happy that I was able to replicate the effort and the community feel that we've built for like 3 4 years now on the Arabic Champs Crypto. So, I mean, yeah, to come from a different world, not totally different. I mean, not that different, but I mean, different language, different community. I mean, English channel is not the English channel isn't only about changing the language, but also different cultures, because Arabic only speaks to the Arabs, but English speaks to every single culture. So it has been a wild, amazing ride, to be honest. I totally love the fact that we've got literally viewers from all over the world, different countries, different time zones, different. Some of you guys tell me good morning once we start. Some of you guys tell me good evening. So I'm totally enjoying this, and I'm also proud. Of the fact that I was able to juggle both channels and not let one die off from the other, or because of the other one. Yeah. So, I mean, I digress. Sorry, guys, for getting too deep on you, but yeah, I just want to thank you a lot. I never cared about subs. I will care less about subs. By the way, guys, I only say, oh, we're very close to 4K subs because it's a full K number, full $1,000, full thousand number. So that's maybe why it might be like I might be even looking at it. But I mainly, well, I told you guys, I mainly look at the amount of videos. I want this number to go to 1,000. I mean, I'm very close to doing that on the Arabic channel. I only need, I mean, I'm guessing if I go live and I post a video, so I would need half of, sorry, that's 114 videos, right? Divided by 50. Yeah, so I need only 57 days of posting twice on the Arabic channel for me to get to 1,000 videos posted. By that time, well, I'll most definitely be at 10K subs. I couldn't care less about the subs, but I'm just proud of putting content out there. The whole reason why I started doing this, and I've taken literally, or I've literally taking away all of my evening rest time for me to go live and make educational content is because I truly love, like, I mean, building a educational first community. So I just want to tell you guys that I'm very close to hitting 1K videos on Champs Crypto Arabic, and hopefully we will be getting there after, I mean, a year and a half maybe on Champs Crypto English. We'll see if we can get there maybe a bit quicker, if we triple or maybe post 3 times a day. We'll see. Anyways, we got Solana dropping, Zcash is holding up. So I'm like, see like how nice it is to trade when the market is off. Literally, altcoins diverge from Bitcoin. So we got Bitcoin stuck a bit. Solana is dropping for some reason. Zcash is holding itself well. So like that's very fun, to be honest. Uh, you're killing it, man. So thank you, big huggies, amazing. Thank you for your nice kind words. Yeah, no worries. I've got like, I have alerts, guys. I don't need you guys to over stress about us like trying to miss or potentially missing a coin. Yeah, so I'll check if I can have, or like let me like prep by putting Solana on weeks. Yeah, I mean, let's not forget to have this isolated. It's very sad how like lots of pairs don't have this separated option, but I don't overtrade Solana, so I wouldn't care if I have it combined or separated. All right, apply to all pairs. I like this. Okay, that's good because that essentially doesn't will stop me from having to do it manually for every single pair. Yep. So Solana dropping, Bitcoin is dropping. Solana has hit the area that I want to hit, or I want to wait for. Should I enter early? I mean, I would love for this to go deeper and do this. Now the question is, do we take a trade? Yeah, so I'll prep for a trade. I'll do my regular 2K here, and I'll do it only on this account. I usually trade on 2 accounts, but I mean, that's fine if we do it here only. Yeah. Uh, 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 uh. We'll enter a little trade here. Yeah, I mean, stop loss will be very, very far away, I guess. I mean, not very far away, but I mean, uh, yeah, we'll take it for fun. Yeah, I mean, it's essentially a scalp, but I mean I'll put the stop loss. Yeah, let me double check where the stop loss would be or will be. I mean, yeah, yeah. I'll put it at 124. See how like we're trading like cents, and yeah, cents, I guess. 124, 124.18. I like this, yeah. 124.18. Guys, please understand that is a scalp, so don't go crazy. 120. I want to also check where the low is here on the minute time frame. Yes, so I want to see 120. Yeah, the low is like at 124 and 8 cents, 124.13. Yeah, so a bit at the low, a bit higher than the low. Yeah, 5%, nice. Very little nice scalp, we'll see. I mean, uh, yeah, the reaction would be better if we go hit deeper and then do this. But entering too early doesn't, not too early, sorry, but I mean, entering at the hit is also nice enough. 5 minutes is going to close in seconds. Zcash still holding up. I mean, that would work out if Bitcoin like, I mean, hits or takes the high. Uh, sorry. Based on my experience, all the best people in crypto offer free content, and most of the paid ones are making their money from your fees, not from crypto. I mean, yes, but also, I mean, not to hate on it. I mean, also from my experience, lots and lots of all legit people have a paid community or a paid course. Why? Because uh, as I think I've had this speech or I went on a rant and explained how like both can be true. Yes, realistically and factually, every most fake gurus rely on selling courses, right? So that's very true. But also on the flip side, if someone is an actual trader and they make a living by trading, it would be smart for them to make something paid. All right, why? Because think about it this way: if I'm a realistic trader and I can only achieve a maximum of like maybe 50%, 100% if I'm like a super genius a year, yeah, so I can literally only at a maximum double my money or my trading money a year. Wouldn't it make more sense, right? And it would be very smart for me to also make something that is paid so that I can literally not only make money from trading, but also from letting others learn how to trade. So I've given an example of a doctor. Like nobody says why does a doctor teaches how to become a doctor, because that's a very normal thing. Like it is capped. There's a cap in how much you can make off of trading. So it would make sense to also teach others how to reach that cap. So if I'm making this, let me use a like a random example, not me personally, but if I'm making a quarter of a million of dollars, or a quarter of a million of dollars a year by trading, right? And I cannot exceed this limit, or at least I can maybe gradually increase that increment of like increase. So I can literally go for like 1 year I made 250, for example. The other is like 300, 350, 450. So I can only go by 50k increments, right? Wouldn't that make more sense for me to also smartly get people who are literally unprofitable or maybe not being able to reach their full potential and and teach them how to also do it? Yeah. So I guess the only reason why selling a community or a course has bad rep, because it's essentially also the fake guru's way of making money. So it's like both sides of the coin are true. Gurus make their money from selling courses. Real people make their money from selling courses. Like, I mean, even actual traders probably even have like 50 to 80% of their money made from selling courses. Yeah. So let me know, guys, if what do you think of this. If someone has a rebuttal or something against it, then maybe you can go, guys all tell me. Yeah, I would love to hear uh, your guys' opinion on this. I mean, yeah. Because yes, I do know, I do understand that. Yeah, if someone, and that's why I know I don't want to sell something or not something in the near future, because imagine that someone with low subs coming at you guys, no authority, no I mean no proof of success, no I mean hasn't proven themselves by sharing live or showcasing their teaching for free, haven't built a real community, come up randomly and start selling courses. That's very bad. I'd love to give everything away for free. Yeah. Uh, sorry guys. Let's hope your Insta gonna hit 10k soon. I mean, that's very far away, but maybe Ahmed and Ben Cohen are great examples of that. Thank you, Mitwali. Uh, but also, by the way, Ben also, I think, I mean, I don't watch him regularly, but I think I've seen that he has something on sale. Let me go. Let me, guys, bear with me. I know I'm just chilling here at 6:30 p.m. with you. Yeah, so let me go and do Benjamin Cohen. Yeah, and then I'll take show you guys the screen. Yes. So, yes. So here, I'm pretty sure Benjamin Cohen has something that he sells, and that's normal, guys. I mean, not 3 years ago, but let me at least go. Maybe not a course, but something that he sells. That's smart. I mean, why would he sell something? Yes, so he has the premium sale of the cryptoverse. So I see, literally, a website, quantitative market analysis, and tools to give you an edge. I'm hoping. I mean, you can use it as a promo. That's a free promo to Benjamin. Not does he even need it, but I mean, yeah. Let's see what this is. Standard plan. All light plans. Okay, so you get weekly newsletter analysis on Bitcoin, DCA tool, indicators, dashboard, modern portfolio theory tool, exit strategies, uh, weekly videos, private Telegram alerts. See, private Telegram alerts. You can pay Benjamin $100 and you'll get private Telegram alerts. So he's more deeper into this stuff. Yeah. So that's fine. I mean, it's not a grifter if he sells stuff, guys. That's normal. That's fine, to be honest. Yeah. But also he has to have proven himself outside of this. Yeah, so it's a double-edged sword. Sorry, guys. Excuse my poor language here. Yes, open a scalp, little scalp one. Like even I mean, I'm losing it now, but I mean, let me see my entry now. Where my entry is at 124.5. Yeah, 53. My stop loss, yes, a bit stuck. Yeah, stop loss is like one. I mean, I guess it's here. I mean, these numbers are very similar because weeks is different. So 1.17, that's point. I guess here. Yeah, and the target is like this. So 3R ratio, I guess. That's only if we don't lose it. If we lose it, then that would be also nice because you'll see me as a human that loses money. Also, it's a scalp, guys. So whenever you see me on the 5-minute time frame, understand that I'm only just playing out with these, and that's a super scalp, not even the best kind of scalp, because I'd much rather scalp with the lows of high volume area. Here is only just a Fibonacci, us maybe making a higher low for the third time. Yeah, so that's the most casual, usual way of me of my own kind of trading. All right, but I can do it. It's fun. Yeah. That's the best way to learn. Thanks for being a good teacher. Thank you, Vinny. You're the best. Thank you, Biro, too. Ben has a crypto paid analysis tool. Yeah, and also a Telegram group. Now that we found out. Hi, Ahmed. Thank you, Palm Avenue. Honestly, you got a skill, so why not selling it? Nothing comes for free. You spend 10 years working on your own skill. Support you, Ahmed. Yeah, thank you, thank you. And as I told you, yes, it does make sense, but also we gotta, because crypto is filled with fakers and gurus. That scam people by getting, like, taking their money and then not offering a value. Also, we're walking a very thin line between being a scammer and also, not me personally, I mean like the whole general trading environment. So yeah, anyways, so we'll take a very, very quick, and by quick, see how nice it is. Like, Bitcoin is dropping, but Solana is holding itself. I tell you, like, trust me. Just if you want to trade altcoins, test it out when it's the weekend, or when the markets are off, because today's off because first of the year. Yeah. Anyways, guys, so I'm hoping that I don't lose money, so I'll put an alert, and you'll give me, guys, maybe 4 to 5 minutes. I will put a stopwatch, whatever this is called. Yeah, and I'll let you guys just see my clock and my logo for a bit. Yeah, so please bear with me. Give me once the time ends, you'll see me back. So if someone asks about me, tell him he's taking a, or tell them maybe a she, he's taking a quick break. Yeah. And we are back. And I guess, I mean, the break literally paid off. I mean, literally paid off. I mean, look at this. Yeah, I mean, I'm happy. It's a scalp. I'll probably lose money once I close it with fees, but I mean, I'm just proud of the pinpoint accuracy, I guess. And that's how why it's fun to trade on the weekend. I mean, probably we haven't made much money. Let me see. I mean, yeah, I mean, we made money. See how nice it is to trade? I mean, I'd love for it to go to 125. Yeah. See, like, it literally disregarded Bitcoin, and I mean, it's on the 1 minute time frame, so I guess it's not that big. But yeah, now you can put the stop loss. I'll move my stop loss below the wick. I'm not sure if I want to. I'll see. If it pushes higher, I'll do it. I mean, yeah, we haven't done this kind of trading yet, or so far. That's the first time. How you doing, Anwar? Thank you, thank you, thank you, and happy New Year to you, Vinny. Thank you. You should have week pay you for sign-ons. I mean, it's fine. Shorting mood. No, I'm not shorting. Guys, if you, I think this question was asked when Solana was this. I will never look to trade a short when it's going down, guys. Please. Uh, yeah. So I guess that's basically it. Give me a second here. Let me also post on the Telegram again because some of the viewers or some of our members maybe didn't know that we'd be trading altcoins today. Give me a second here. Altcoins live, and then you do this and that, and then maybe not this one. Yes, so I think yeah, you need a bit of a heads up because I mean it's not fair. The title doesn't have anything to do with the altcoins. I just made up. I woke up and I chose. Or not literally. I literally went live and then I chose to do it. So I mean, the most perfect scenario, the most perfect world is us reclaiming 125 and pumping to 125 points or 126 and then reversing like this. That would be me being the best in the world. But I mean, yeah, maybe we don't have to. Yeah. If we were to drop, we have to do it very soon. Yes. So yes. So yes. 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 Maybe we can incorporate this kind of trading on the weekend show, since it is on the weekend. So you guys can let me know what you want me to do. Zcash is holding pretty well. Bitcoin is literally very very low in volume, and that's very nice. Like it drops and goes up a bit. Every drop, altcoins hold themselves. Every pump, altcoins go and pump more than Bitcoin. So that's also nice to see and a pretty good thing to happen, but then we don't have to over celebrate because we haven't yet seen a move. Where do you gonna take profit? Probably once we get a hit of 125, yeah? Or not even take profit. I mean, it depends, guys. If you are taking it too seriously, take 50% off at 125 and move the stop either below the wick or at entry, okay? If you are, or if you haven't risked too much, you can only move the stop loss without taking profit. So it's totally up to you, to be honest. More gains with alts. Not see. You think that there are more gains with alts, but from experience, trust me, Bitcoin has the easiest gains, right? So trust me, it's trading heavily in Nigeria now. I mean, it's nice. I'm hoping that it's not too bad. I mean, but I'm hoping that you're liking it. Where would you short Cardano? I mean, I wouldn't personally, so unfortunately, I cannot answer you. I haven't looked at it. That's why. Sorry, I think I've read this comment. So thank you, guys. Yeah, more volatility. I mean, yeah, but more volatility doesn't mean more money because it's also harder to trade. By harder, it doesn't mean by harder. I don't mean you need more skill to trade altcoins. I mean that literally the market is more random. So it's smarter and better to trade Bitcoin because it has more consistent money. You would think that more volatility means more money, but no. Less volatility by trading the asset that literally moves the whole market is the smarter way to go. Sorry, what was your entry on Solana? It was 124.53. Guys, we're scalping it on the 1 minute time frame so that entering now is wrong because you need to have entered lower. Unless it goes back to here. I mean, it's totally up to you. Is it good time for long ETH? What do you mean by good time? Like, is it a general good time, or is it exactly? If I say yes, would you click on the green button? These kind of questions are unanswerable, guys. Yeah, because like it's never good or bad unless you have a setup. Then take it. If you don't have a setup, don't take it. I don't have a setup for you, so please, guys, be careful by having these kind of statements. It's not a good time or a bad time to long ETH. You have to look for a certain trade. Yeah. Can you take a look at Cardano chart? Maybe not now, but maybe if we stay a bit longer, we can maybe look at it. So we will see, guys. To be honest, I'm just trying to focus on the stuff that. Yeah. Yes, Solana is pulling back. Bitcoin is still range bound. Zcash is holding strong. By strong, I mean just on the 15-minute time frame. So we'll wait and see. Let's see what stuff we get. Okay, so we'll move the volume profile a bit closer. Yes. So we'll wait and see. Yeah, I mean our profits have diminished. Yeah. Yeah. And also, as I told you guys, I'm going to repeat it for the second time in an hour and 30 minutes. So please excuse me. But if someone wants to make use out of this, it's only limited to the first 100 users. What you'll get if you deposit. If you make an account with Weeks using the link in the first, in the first link in the description, all right? If you make an account and then you deposit $100 or more, yeah, you'll get a free position airdrop that is worth $1,000, and by that I mean that will give you an open, long or short, you can choose, right? That is worth $50 times 20x, which would equal to $1,000. All right, so it's just a bonus that is worth $1,000, not literally $1,000, obviously. Yeah. So it's not it's super nice. So if you manage to get this position, you can enter a trade with it and maybe make $50 with it. 100, 200, you can like if you manage to make a profit with the position, the money is yours. All right, so it's only for the first new depositors, the first 100. So but as I told you guys, it's only for those who haven't deposited. So either you have made an account with me on Weeks, but you didn't yet deposit it, so that's also includes you, or you actually haven't even made an account. You'll have the time to make an account and then deposit, and then you will be good to go. Yeah. BC Cash or Bitcoin Cash, yeah, BCH, sorry, just made a dip, probably scalp long. Guys, I don't have 20 monitors looking at hundreds of coins, yeah, but I mean, just because it dipped doesn't mean you have to scalp long it, but you can look for it. Guys, if you have a reason, take it because you have a reason, yeah. But don't let your only reason be because it dipped. I mean, everything moved down, guys. I mean, if you're watching on the 5-minute time frame, everything went a bit below or a bit down. Yeah. So be careful, guys, by over analyzing every single move. Yeah. Yes. So we'll do this and so we'll do that. We'll wait and see. I mean, we'll give it 20 more minutes and we'll see how the long plays out here, or maybe a long at 518 on Zcash, or maybe Bitcoin does give us a trade. We'll wait and see. Okay, we're trying to be a bit patient with it and also try to take more than one trade for the live stream. Maybe end it off at that 2-hour mark. That would be nice, I guess. Yeah. So we got Solana, got Bitcoin, Zcash. Yes, very good. Yes, Solana is holding pretty well, but I mean, Doesn't have to. If someone has a question, any kind of inquiry, I'm happy to read the comments because it's a bit boring. It's getting a bit boring on the charts here. Yeah, boring is good to be honest. Yeah, but I mean, it would be boring for if someone is looking to trade. Yeah, so keep in mind we have the point of control here. Reclaim 125, shoot to probably 125.5 or even 126. Yeah, if I were to short it, I will look for 26 rather than shorting the value area high. So context is key. You gotta understand like where we're coming from and where we're going. Yeah, just don't be randomly shorting every value area low, for example, or high. Sorry. Yeah. So look at this. Zcash is dropping a bit. Solana is moving a bit higher, so that's nicer. Give me guys here. How long have you been day trading? I mean, exactly explicitly day trading maybe 5 years now. Yeah, but I've been in the crypto market since 2016, 2017. What indicators do you use? I don't use indicators except volume and liquidity. Volume and liquidity aren't indicators. Yeah, I don't use any indicators. I think Zcash has great future. I don't care to be honest. If it has I couldn't care less what the future holds for Zcash. I just want a long 518, 516 guys. Please guys understand that I'm a trader. I don't look at the white paper. I don't read the white paper of the coin. Can you please take a look at Phil Coin, please? Thank you, Olga, for the question, for the ask, but unfortunately I may not be able to meet your ask now because unfortunately we only got these 3 coins, Bitcoin being one of them, to look at today and trade. And that's a nice thing about being a trader, guys. If I open a live stream and I tell you I'm going to open a log literally in front of you guys, yeah, you can do it with me. You don't have to care. I don't have to trade your coin. I don't have to do analysis for you about a specific coin. Just make the money with me if we make money at least. Yeah. So please don't be sad or mad at me if I fail to do TA on your coin. Yeah. But we will wait and see. I mean, Bitcoin is moving up. Zcash is moving up. Solana is struggling a bit. Now, I'm with you, Ahmed. Thank you, Mickey. Or Mikey. Or Mike. Yeah, not Mickey. Absolutely Mike. Sorry. Mike Easy Ford. Or Mickey maybe. I mean, yeah. Uh, Solana, Zcash, Bitcoin. Yeah, we'll wait and see. Guys, if someone missed the first 30 minutes, you wouldn't know the the trades here. Zcash is too volatile for leverage, maybe for spot, but it's too expensive for now. I mean, I don't care to be honest. These are all irrelevant facts to the stuff that I'm trying to do here. Yeah, you can trade whatever you want, however you want. But thank you, Stevek, for the nice insight, I guess. Anyway, so we'll give it extra 17 more minutes and see if we manage to get a trade somehow, some way. I guess we may be able to. Yeah, we will wait and see, guys. Also, guys, just a quick mention. If someone isn't a member of the free Telegram channel, I have nothing to sell you, but it is a free Telegram channel. So I usually try my best, like whenever there's an important update whenever I'm not able to go live or make a video, or it's outside of the live stream window, I will do or I'll post a very quick update on the Telegram channel. So please make sure that if you care, I mean, if you don't, that's fine. If you care about it, then you got the link in the description. Don't be expecting much. I merely just try my best to add more value by sharing stuff for free. So nothing to sell you here. I'm merely just mentioning it because I do understand that we have new viewers are coming on a daily basis. So I'll have to at least mention it twice or 3 times a day. Since this is a holiday period, I wanted to remind everyone CME will open today in 8 hours, and it's closed yesterday around 7.7 yesterday. Thank you, Mitwali. Very good info. For me, one of the best things I've learned over the years is to only manage a few charts at a time. Exactly. Yeah. You give me really good vibes, Ahmed. Thanks for everything. Thank you, just a Fusta. Thank you, brother. And I'm happy that you're finding the stuff that I give good, and also the vibe is good. And I'm super thankful and grateful for your nice comment. And I'm hoping uh, that we will be enjoying our time and also making money. Hope you have a great 2026, Ahmed. Thank you, Dennis. And I'm hoping likewise for you, to be honest. Thank you. MVP right here. Thank you, Salam. Glad to have you here on the channel. We got Solana pumping. I mean, it's not pumping, but I mean, if I go to 1 minute time frame, I'll feel like a genius. Yeah, I mean, not really, but I'm just joking around here, guys. Yeah. Anyways, so we'll see how this plays out. As I told you guys, I mean, we still got 15 more minutes to go on the live stream, but please, once I'm done, go back and watch the first. If you don't have time, just watch the first 10 minutes. If you do have time, watch the full first 30 minutes, because at the beginning I covered the higher time frame stuff, but then I also covered like 3 different trades on Bitcoin. Now I could cover them again, but they would take me a while. So please just go back and watch if you want to. If you don't want to, that's fine. If you want to take the trade or the day off without trading today, that's also fine. Okay, I don't care, but I'm just saying because today is a holiday, a public holiday for the New York market. So there are no huge liquidity today. No big moves are expected today to happen. They could happen, they may happen, but you have to understand that the day the volume is low. I'm late to the stream, so I'll watch the beginning for sure. Thank you, Stevik. Thank you, brother. I'm hoping that you'll find the beginning or the intro stuff very, very also key and also helpful. Yeah. So let's just wait and see what Solana does next. Bitcoin is pumping on the 5 minute time frame. Thank you for being here with us, for us. Thank you, Mike. I remember the days in crypto when you could move a coin with only 20K position. Technically, you could still do that with like low volume, low cap volume coins. I don't care too much, to be honest, about them. Yeah, I'm happy with this move, to be honest. I'm glad that we were able to catch a nice move on Solana. I wouldn't act as if this is the end all be all of the trade. We may as well just go down a reverse lower. I just want you guys to. I'm hoping that for those who stuck with me since the beginning of the live, to have seen how I even made up the idea to long scalp Solana, and I'm hoping that this local 5 minute TA, yeah, time from local 5 minute time from TA has shown you and has proven to you guys that even though I may not care enough about altcoins, and even though I may not look at the scalpy 5 minute time frame as much as I do on a higher time frame, but my TA is replicable on a lower time frame, on a different asset, plus on a different time frame. Yeah, so hoping guys that you literally understood that the concepts are the same. You're just either bringing them down to a lower time frame or bringing them up on a higher time frame. Totally up to you on what suits your style. Yeah, so and also nice how like even Bitcoin being a bit stuck can allow other coins to freely move. So I'm happy. Uh, I guess. How comes today we are trading altcoins? New Year special? Mm, just because I'm feeling to do something. As I told you guys, I'm trying to be transparent and also flexible and also myself. So no, I just I spoke about Bitcoin, and then all of a sudden I chose, oh, I should trade altcoins today. Why not? And talk about it. And that's what made me actually make a post right now on the Telegram channel, because it's something that came out of nowhere. So I don't want no one to miss it. So thank you, Dennis. Yeah, give a like to help algorithm push our brother's channel. Thank you, Steve. By the way, yeah, I'm super thankful about the live stream, not yesterday, the one before. So on Tuesday, we did hit our all-time high goal of like maybe 149 likes. I'm not sure, 148 likes. Yeah, that was amazing, to be honest. So I'm thankful for everybody that was part and a member of the likers. Now, they did give me a like on 2 days ago. I don't care about likes, but I just see it as a testament to you guys liking and appreciating the stuff that I put out on a daily basis. So thank you. Thank you so much for your hard work. Thank you, Mitwali. Thank you, Sani Kami, 2678. Thank you, legends. Thank you, guys. And I'm totally appreciative and I'm totally happy with your guys' support. I wouldn't be doing what I'm doing here. I wouldn't be at least keeping up the same amount of effort or even ramping it up if you hadn't been super nice and super appreciative and super kind to me, to be honest. So thank you. Yeah, I don't want to waste our live stream thanking you, but I have to at least allocate a couple of minutes on a daily basis to thank you guys all for the help you've been giving out. When you're planning to close the log on Solana, I don't have a specific time, but I mean, yeah, as I told you guys, if we go to 125, I would probably take profits off and move my stop loss to entry, and then take full TP at 26 maybe. Yeah, that's it. So watch for the hit of 125 and the reaction of 125 with the understanding of what Bitcoin will be doing. Hi, bro. I miss you. Thank you, Dragon. Thank you, thank you. I'm glad to have you here on the channel. You're awesome. Thank you, Amoto. Yeah, so we'll give it more couple more minutes. We'll see how Solana plays out, and then we can maybe end off the stream. Bro, I've shorted ETH from $3,000. What do you think? What do I think? I don't think nothing. Yeah, that's yesterday's short. 3,000. I mean, it's good. I mean, you've made money, so just secure the trade. That's it. Yeah. Let me go back here and do this. Yeah. So Solana's still moving. Kyle, maybe, or I mean, it's a very interesting way of writing Kyle. Sorry if I mispronounce your name. Hey, bro, recently started to watch your live streams, and I'm literally blown with your perfect analysis. Love you, man. Thank you, brother. I'm hoping, or sorry, maybe a sister, but I'm assuming your gender. So yeah, thank you, for your nice comment, and I'm also happy whenever I see new names popping up on the comment section. So thank you. I'm totally grateful for you, not only to have watched me for a while, but I mean recently, but also to have felt the need to maybe show your appreciation on your comments. So thank you. Likewise, I also want to appreciate you for being too amazing and also watching me. So I'm glad to have you as a part member and a community member of our nice little niche community of trading, and I'm hoping to keep on doing the same stuff and also improve. That way you'll all be I mean, still watching me and still caring enough about the stuff that I do put out on a daily basis. I'm only here showing up every single day, an hour, 2 or 3 hours even on a daily basis, giving out my, or literally like giving you guys away my, sacrificing, if that's even not the big, I mean, it's a big word, but I mean, sacrificing my evening for the sake of putting out educational content and also going live. Not only do I make it seem as if I trade, but also literally taking trades, showing the reasons why we traded, and also entering the trade if possible together live on the stream. Right. So thank you. Thank you for this comment. Your comment made me go a bit deeper here, but thank you though. Rigo Rocks said, If you are new here, you have found a real day trader that knows great risk management. The content is gold. Great work, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I mean, what a nice comment, not only to appreciate me, but also to welcome new members. So thank you, though. I'm happy. I'm happy that going live not only does it bring back old viewers, but also bring new members to our community. Yeah. So I'll hopefully stay and stick with this for as long as possible. I'll try not to miss a day. So literally we go live every single day, guys. Yeah. And I'll try to keep it up. Thank you, Shabit, Kyle, and Rigo, Dragon, Amoto, Sonic, Mitwalli, all you guys, Tvek, Dennis. I don't want to start reading the comments because and then I'll forget a few and then you might be mad at me. So I love you all, guys. Big huggies. Carl Moon knows how to pick good ones. You are one of the good ones. Thank you. I mean, that's a very nice compliment. I'm glad to be a part of the good ones community. Thank you, brother or sister. Yeah. Yes. So we'll try and stay for a bit longer. I want to see how this Solana long ends up doing. As I told you, I'm just watching for a move up. Like I'd love for an explosive move higher, secure the trade, and then whatever happens happens. Yeah. Good night, bro. Good night, Harsh. Thank you. uh Tahar said he's the champ of crypto, the final boss. Thank you, bro. Thank you for a nice comment. That's a very, very nice comment. Nice title to be given. So thank you. Yeah. So I'm hoping that not only did you guys maybe catch the trade, but also I'm hoping that all of you have watched how did I even make up the reason to trade or this specific long, for example. Yeah. So please go back, even if it fails, if it ends up failing, go back if you didn't catch the 10 minutes I gave to Solana, how I actually looked for the trade. Go back once we're done with the live stream. Go back and look and like try to find where exactly was I or where I was doing Solana's TA. Yeah, and watch how I did it from scratch live together or in front of you. Yeah, that's more important than actually taking the trade itself. Trust me, you have to know why I take the trade, which is more important than actually taking the trade. I mean, we've made a couple of dollars here, not the biggest, not the most important. Uh, well done, champ. Thank you, Idosa. Champs, your teachings have prepared me for 2026 crypto wins after my total loss in 2025. New members, this is the best teacher. Thank you, Yanta bro, and I'm hoping uh, the best will be, or sorry, you'll get the best out of this new year. As I told you guys, I think I've said this yesterday. I don't want to repeat it again, but or maybe the day before yesterday, but even though I dislike the notion of a new year and like the difference, oh, this year and this that year, I don't care about these differences, but I do suggest you guys using the beginning of the new year to your advantage. So if you had made goals and objectives and you didn't hit them for the past year, forget about them. Don't even care. So don't give a high importance to the stuff that you had planned out last year, but use the notion of a new year to your benefit by actually making up and setting up plans for the year. So as I told you, like I don't care about New Year's or the end of last year. I couldn't care less, but I mean it would be helpful psychologically to care about it in the beginning of the year and then not care about the failing of hitting the objectives at the end. So please only use these semantics and these like fake made up constructs to your advantage. Don't be sad if you missed a goal or you didn't hit a goal, but be happy by trying to make it, maybe put realistic and unrealistic goals for 2026. So as they say, like shoot for the stars, land on the moon, or whatever. Yeah. Happy New Year, V8. Thank you, brother. Vinny, I'm in the Solana long, also waiting for your thoughts. Thank you. Big huggies. Just realized I was watching you on your channel. I found you on the moon. Now follow you on Champs Crypto as well. Thank you, big huggies, and I'm glad to have you as a member of both the Moon Show weekend show that we do on Saturday and Sundays, but also on my channel where I go live every single day. I'm glad to have people care enough about the content to the point where they literally watch me on multiple channels. I do know that it gets a bit maybe exhausting or confusing. Yeah, but I'm hoping that the structure that we've made, where we go live on my own Champs Crypto channel Monday to Friday, and then weekends, which are 2 days, I go live on the Moon Show channel. Let me show it to you guys here. I'm not sure if you know that I go live on the weekend, but if you see me not go live on the weekend, which are Saturday and Sunday on Champs Crypto, you have to know that I'm going, or I am live on the Moon Show, a channel with almost or more than a 500,000 subs, right? As you can see, I basically just go live. Crypto Kid does the regular Monday to Friday. I go live on the weekends. So weekends are on the Moon Show. Every other day was on Champs Crypto. Yeah, so I make videos and live on Champs Crypto, but only live twice on the Moon Show. I know that everybody knows about it, but just this is only for the new viewers out there. Yeah. So I logged Solana at 124.6. I mean, you logged wrong because you entered late. Yes. So I mean, unless I'm not sure. I mean, it's totally up to you. You didn't log wrong, or so that's hard thing to say. But you didn't choose that. You have a different entry to mine. So it's totally up to you. I wouldn't say you logged wrong, but maybe you did it differently. Why the price movement is very slow even in this time? Because today the NY market is off because it's the first of the year. It's a holiday, public holiday. I seen you on Moon also. Thank you, Vidi. That Solana move is a lower high, so the shorts will be at 125 golden zone. Maybe. Uh, yeah. As told you guys, we'll try it. I mean, we've hit the 2 hour mark, so I'm super thankful for y'all and every second watched by anybody of you. So thank you guys for being too amazing, and I'm too thankful and too grateful for everyone that has been watching me for a while. Just a quick reminder, guys, a final reminder, if I may, not to overly maybe annoy you guys, but if someone wants to use it, it's only sorry, it's only limited to the first 100 users. Now that includes both the ones who have made an account with Weeks with me. Yes, so they went and made an account, but they haven't yet made a deposit. They are going to be a part of the offer. But also those who haven't even made an account on Weeks, go in and make an account by clicking on this link, go to the sign up page, and then just making an account. Once you deposit, you will be eligible to winning, right? $1,000 worth position airdrop for free. As I told you, it is only limited for 100 users, and also it ends and expires after the 7th of January. So it's only 7 days long, a promotion, only a giveaway for 100 limited users, guys. So please understand this, and please make the most out of it. Once the 100 users deposits are filled up, it's going to be no longer there, right? So please make the most out of it. It's only for those who either haven't deposited or want to make an account and then deposit, right? So I mean, the details are too simple. Uh, is CC available on live stream? I'm not sure. I think so, maybe. I don't have no idea, to be honest. Maybe someone who uses it can answer. Are you good, brother? You sound low or tired, maybe. Uh, I mean, thank you for noticing. I think so, maybe a bit. I'm a bit tired. I stayed up late, very late yesterday. Essentially, I slept at 6, but I woke up at 10. So only for 4 hours of sleep. I mean, yeah, I try not to. I don't like resting too much, so that's why I try working. So yes, thank you, Vikrant, for noticing this. I do also notice it a bit, but trust me, I'm doing good, and I'm happy to be here and to have taken trades, doing TA, spoken with the legends, the amazing guys and brothers and sisters that are with me on a daily basis. So we have hit the 2 hour mark. We've got a lot to say. He is. I'm not sure what you mean, Dragon. I'm hoping that I mean, it's either a mistranslation or a lost or a bad joke. So I'll give you 5 seconds to explain yourself, and then we'll see. Yeah, before ending the live stream. Anyways, so if someone wants to support me, guys, please, I mean, do nothing. A nice comment is more than enough. Is this going to drop double tap? I have no idea, guys. You don't have to. I don't want to tell you to stop asking me. You can ask me all you want, but trust me, you won't be getting an actual answer. I cannot tell you if it's going up or down. Yeah, no matter what the coin is. Uh, Gay also means happy in Old English. Yeah, I do know. Yeah, but maybe I mean that the word choice now is a bit bad. Yeah, so I would yeah. So I wouldn't want to time you out, Dragon. You're a brother of mine, but please be careful with these words. Yeah, I mean it's not bad to use this, but it's not funny too. So, anyways, we're going to be ending off the live stream now, guys. If someone wants to support me, as I told you, we got the week's offer only limit to 100 users. So it's either the 100 deposits giveaway ends or the 7 day giveaway ends. So either time ends or the positions end. If you want to make the most out of it, please do either. Remember that you have made an account with me and then go to your account and deposit. Or if you have or you know that you never made an account or weeks with me, click on the link, sign up, and then deposit, and then that's the offer for you guys. And hopefully, as I promised you guys, hopefully after 7 days, once this new year giveaway ends on weeks, we will be doing a nice, amazing 7 day long trading competition, very similar to the one we have done. I think 3 weeks to a month ago, right? So giveaway and then a competition all done on weeks, the place where I literally do trading and go live on every single day. So if someone wants to be there, wants to be a part of their part of the week's traders, and also by the way, guys, that's the only way of supporting me because it is literally an affiliate link. I have to be clear and transparent and ethical by saying that this is an affiliate link. That's the only very roundabout way, far away of supporting me. Doesn't do much, but it does help, to be honest. So if you want to, then that's the week's link for you. Not a week link, but a week's link. And also, finally, we have the free Telegram channel for those who aren't members yet. It is a free Telegram channel. I have nothing to sell you guys. So I will catch you guys either by making a video that maybe late at night or tomorrow, obviously on our regular timing. Tomorrow is Friday, but also the market will be open, so that would be maybe that would add more fuel to the Bitcoin and the crypto market fire.